Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Royal Family. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Well, tonight we're going to talk about cleaning on a budget. That's right, honey. You know I got your products for the low low, so let's jump right on into it. Well, the first product I'm going to talk about. Mm. Yes, honey. We'll have your house, your apartment, condo, whatever you live in, smelling fresh and clean. Can you say fabuloso? It looks like this. Honey, look at this big old bottle. Yes. You can get that big bottle for less than $3 at Walmart. Honey, this product will have your home smelling fresh and clean. And honey, not only will it clean, it'll do something else. One day, have you ever just been, you go visit somebody and you say, I know that scent. I know this scent. Where I know this scent from? Well, honey, my sister Mika, she had a pot on. I was like, what is that? She said, girl, I got my Fabuloso boiling in the pot. What? Honey, had it fresh, had the whole house just lit up. So not only can you mop your floors and wipe things down with it, honey, pour you some in a pot. Fresh, just fresh will have your house smelling lovely. Remember, you can get Fabuloso. You can get it at Target or Walmart. But honey, I know definitely I buy it at Walmart for less than $3. It is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful product. Moving on. Okay, this definitely comes from Walmart. Y'all see the great value. I ain't ashamed. But anyway, this is the all-purpose cleaner with bleach. Yes, honey, we need a bleach to clean them, to disinfect, to clean them germs, honey. But this product looks like this. Clean your bathroom, clean your kitchen tops, whatever you need to do. Put it in your mop water, whatever the case may be. Less than $3. Less than $3. And yes, honey, it will have everything just smelling fresh, fabulous. Moving on, another good one. Y'all, Clorox. Clorox. With the bleach, yes, honey, we want everything clean. We want it with the bleach. You can get that product for like $3, and I think it's like 48 cents. It's a very, very good product. I like to spray my shower down with it, honey, and let it soak in there. I put some Fabuloso. Y'all know how we do. Mix it up like it's almost like seasoning, honey. Put it in the bathtub and let it work, honey. Let it marinate in the toilet, before we go back and clean it real, 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 real good. But yes, honey, that is a fabulous product. I use it every day when I get out the shower. Spray my shower curtain down, honey. Leave my bathroom just absolutely fresh and wonderful. Yes, honey, I love it. I love it. I love it. Then, y'all know you got to have the wipes. Y'all got to get these disinfectant wipes. Clorox has some, but honey, when you're on the budget, honey, you can get the disinfectant wipes. Great value. Okay. And there's 75 wipes in here. Use it to wipe down things in the bathroom, in the kitchen. I mean, like all over. Honey, I love it to clean the baseboards in my home. Very, very good product to clean baseboards, honey. Will have your baseboards just sparkling. Do y'all hear me? When I say sparkling, I mean sparkling. That's another fabulous product. All right. Now, for your mirrors. Okay, Windex, it's all good and grand and dandy and all that. But I'm going to be honest with you, honey. Dollar General cleaner, $1. Okay, $1. No streaks. No streaks on my glass. No streaks on my mirrors. I absolutely love it for $1. You can't beat that. $1. Wonderful. I also love to get the toilet bowl cleaner. Look. Drop that in there. Well, I don't do one, honey. I put two in there. I like my water to be dark blue. Okay, I like it to be blue. And you can get that for Dollar General for $1. You can also get it at Walmart. And to be honest, Walmart got some for 97 cents, honey. But like I say, I like to put two in at one time. That's how I roll, but you do what's best for your toilet, okay, and your needs. And after you do all this good cleaning, y'all, you got to light a candle. I mean, it's nothing like a good candle after you done mopped and did your baseboards and your mirrors and your windows and all that. It's nothing like a good candle. Now, like I said, you can go to Walmart and get the three. It has 3 wicks in it, all kind of scents. One, two, three, four, five. $5. Okay? $5. But now, like I say, grab your girlfriend. Say, y'all know we need to go get these candles from Bath and Body. Okay. Now, they don't have no, you're not going to get it for $5. But they have sales all the time. And you can go in with people. Y'all know I done told y'all about this cactus blossom. Y'all, go get it. Do y'all hear me? Go get the cactus blossom. Oh my God. Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Hallelujah. It is just, y'all, it's heavenly. It is absolutely heavenly. Like I say, go in with your friends, get you some candles, or go to Walmart. $5. $5. You cannot beat it. All right, y'all. I just had to give y'all some tips on the cleaning with the Lolo. I'm Nikki J, and I'm signing out. See you soon.